been a fan of the Caroline and Klaus relationship, and I still don't get it. I just thought he was this really mean, bad guy who just kept buying her pretty things and then being mean to like all the people that she loved. Everyone was like, but that's so romantic. I was like, no, it's not. This is terrible.
I have no idea of what Klaus brings to a relationship. Next.
I've always loved Stefan and Caroline's relationship. I think those pros are that he's not out to murder her entire family and all of her friends. I think that's a positive.
They go through these, whatever, trials and tribulations, but I think that they make out a lot, so that was usually an indication of a good time.
It's kind of nice for those Stereoline fans. We're going to open up Season 8 with some happy times for them.